Hello everybody, in this video we'll move to the next category of levels,
Of course.
and which is more advanced than the first one. So let's play. The goal is villagers must survive.
Stishaho.
We have to build fences in the X that shows in the game field. So
Move up. Obrevu. Move down.
build in the X and Y. Done. Move to the next level.
Not a problem.
Your hero must survive, get to the end of the path, grab your games. So there is a new command, move XY, and give the X and Y coordinates. So let's move 36 and 59 for the first one. Then move to the second point, then move to the X, and the second in 36, 13. And the last one 72-25. This one is better than just moving up and down, right and left,
Obrevu.
because it can go into places more easily than the other one. Just choosing the coordinates X and Y. So let's move to the third level.
Not a problem.
Equip that sword. And the second programmation second. Defeat ogres. Check the last copy. So if there is, we'll check if there is an enemy nearest to the hero, then attack. If it's not, so move to this point to X and check if there is an enemy, and if there is an enemy then attack 2 times, because each enemy take 2 hits to be killed. Now attack the enemy 2 times and move to the last point and check if there is an enemy, put it in the enemy, put its name in the enemy variable. If there isn't, the enemy will be 0, which is false, then it won't attack. Now this is valuable for any given game, so it might be only one or more. It works for any given one. So this is it, 3 first levels. And see you in the next video.